Question number 5, we have a graph given. The time in seconds is on the x-axis and the height above ground is on the y-axis. So an object was launched upward from a platform. The graph shown models the height above the ground y in meters of the object x seconds after it was launched. For which of the following intervals of time was the height of the object increasing for the entire interval? So we can see that the object was launched upward from a platform from here, and that is from 0 seconds itself. And then it is reaching maximum after 2 seconds, and after that it is going down. So but we need the height, the interval of the time, the height was increasing for the entire interval. That means from here to here it is increasing for the entire interval. So which should we choose? A says from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. B is from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4. C from x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 3. Or D from x is equal to 3 to x is equal to 4. Choice A, if you said well done, that is the correct answer. Choice A is correct. It's given that the variable y represents the height in meters of the object above the ground. And the graph shows that the height of the object was increasing from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. So this is x is equal to 0 and this is x is equal to 2, this duration. After that, from x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 4, it is decreasing. Therefore, the height of the object was increasing for the entire interval from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2.